Abusuanti Kojo Forex ene Kojo Sheldon amade ntokwa kese ahyemu e wo social media. Baako se eye Kojo Sheldon ono no se eye Kojo Forex de oye kronfo enti na ontimi ntena Ghana chese watutu akotena Dubai no. Kojo Forex nso so beto Kojo Sheldon studio no eye ni YouTube studio setup no beto ni nyina ha na wo de aye poultry farm. Enti ntokwa ne hya ase nyina ni eye Kojo Forex eye few days ago 6th November and obe posti in some way to eye X so and Twitter so o say no age range as a limitation, but if you are 30 plus, as of now, you should have seen or made your first 100,000 at least 100,000 Ghana cedis. This is equivalent to just $6,150 today. If you haven't made it yet, check yourself first. Then check your friends and your circles. Now, or the same way eto a year X in the soro, and now Kojo Sheldon a video far and sema or the other John because basically over such say 30 plus or 30 years plus by now there was say won't me and I say we'll make it to say 100,000 Ghana cedis, which is 1 billion old Ghana cedis. Or the two Hono Kojo Sheldon a year video far and sema Kojo Sheldon
First of all, I respect them and whatever they do, but this is a nonsensical tweet. Maybe I'll go straight to the point. You see, when you are sitting in a position of privilege, you have to be calculated with some of the things you say. Look at the economic condition in this country. Bro, you see the video of people trying to get Trotsky to work. Bro, it not be say people be lazy. Things no day for boys. So you not go first sit here and tell 30 plus in the crowd, bro. I friend I will shout Brazil. There, bro, most of people in this country, the youth, when now them they come start on no 10,000 crew
30 plus now they can't get job. You know people who have worked for 30 years
Charlie,
and they have not been able to save.
Bro, I always use my old girl was a nurse. Or nurse for her 30 years. Okofie, if I tell you the amount of money that was given to her, you go weep. I've seen teachers teach for 30 years and they go home with 20,000 Ghana cedis. I see people work their ass out in the government sectors and they go home with paltry sums of money. Bro, some of these things are triggering. Bro, you know they need.
Until right after Kojo Sheldon in a video no and akwakwada ne entokwa e wo social media no so eye X so sabre dia e give and take come dia mom ho sa but Kojo Sheldon deleting the tweets ni nyina enso so ye woni nyina wa ha de be ma o enti nya abotre na tie ni nyina na hu se de ne ekọ so enti after this video no na eye Kojo Forex e call X so na okopost ye o say dear Kojo Sheldon, you are 30 years, you boast of building a media empire which is commendable. O say you own your house, you drive in a Mercedes Benz, you travel around the world whenever you want. Your monthly revenue estimates exceeds $20,000. Or say, your story says you came from rags. You no get two heads. You never use your platform to discuss financial literacy and liberations, except sports, music, politics, and a few trolls. You complain the economy is hard, but all campaigning for a year. Government omo money mo asan edin na into okoso tro nsem ni bebre te say nsem ni de bebre no tro ye eno na te say Kojo Sheldon so amfa no ahoto so a ono so be posti we e wo X ne so ono so say money where you get you can't stay in your own country to spend it. It's like you are on a run from 4 Kojo Forex so buy ono so say tell that big-headed little man I go buy in YouTube house and turn it into a poultry farm. We need to cleanse the nation from stupid noise makers. What Kojo Sheldon about or say, you a fraud, you a phony. People have come on this platform to call you out on several occasions. Or say, on what moral grounds you they stand chat? Nonsense. Kojo Forex and so betrayal or say, put anybody against me that he put the youth on more than me. I can let it slide, but not this buffoon. I literally organized free seminar for the biggest auditorium in the country, UPSC. Filled it up and taught people about financial literacy and still fed them all. Don't compare the bars manega you they do for your tiny little room to the impact I have had on the youth. Don't make that mistake, little man. Why Kojo Sheldon so about say how about taking hard-earned money from these same young people under the pretense of teaching them how to trade, only to break your promise? You made a senseless post and I called you out and I am standing on business. Kojo Forex abe posti video Ghana or Chile na or Troy or say Me we come ball for Ghana back to back for the last 5 months from June to October. Niggas say you ran from Ghana. Are you a fool? As you then your useless party destroy the country. What more is left except you selling mediocrity? While now Kojo Sheldon Swaba or say you have destroyed people's life in the name of teaching them how to trade. You finish where you go stay for Dubai. You think you have the moral right to even criticize a politician. Now you them politicians, what be the difference? One day na ano den pan nya sameketwa na Kojo Forex say, I say if I give you 20 years self, you know go match up, go and sleep. Also ma Kojo Sheldon 20 years cry. Nya de only tipen be pe will be bia ho. Osanka chen say o see moro or say record yawa of the day about yourself cause today you really do yawa. Now we or say the man another one or say nothing you get past me except your freaking big head with empty brains, but you they chat nonsense or say about education or say I'm clever or say education I'm clear articulation clear platform clear intelligence clear sense clear money clear. Pick your fight wisely, young idiot. Just say, Kojo Forex. Just say, oh yeah, mad. Inti abusia aha ayo gossip 247. Make sure you subscribe to your channel. So unsubscribe. I said they uploading new video. Bia, ubenya notification say I upload the latest video now. Wababeshe.